The Toyota Land Cruiser isn't just a 4x4, it's a legend. Born in war zones, tested in deserts, and trusted on every continent. But behind its reputation are wild stories, royal endorsements, and survival feats that most fans have never heard. Buckle up as we reveal the untold history that made the Land Cruiser the world's most respected off-roader. Born from war, the BJ prototype. The Land Cruiser's story begins in 1950, when the U.S. military needed a tough reconnaissance vehicle during the Korean War. Toyota's answer? The BJ prototype, a bare-bones 4x4 so rugged it climbed Mount Fuji's slopes in a legendary test. This feat stunned American officers, leading to military orders that not only saved Toyota from collapse, but launched the Land Cruiser dynasty. The name that almost wasn't. Did you know the Land Cruiser was almost called the Land Rover? Toyota tried to trademark the name, but British automaker Rover beat them to it. Forced to pivot, Toyota's team chose Land Cruiser, a name that would soon stand for adventure and reliability worldwide. Royal approval, the Emperor's choice. In 1954, Emperor Hirohito selected a Land Cruiser as his personal inspection vehicle, a huge endorsement in post-war Japan. This royal approval transformed the Land Cruiser from a utilitarian truck into a symbol of Japanese pride and engineering, opening doors to international respect. The Australian Outback test. To prove itself in the world's harshest terrain, Toyota sent Land Cruisers to Australia in 1958 for brutal endurance testing. For 6 months, they tackled deserts, floods, and rocky trails that destroyed other vehicles. The result? The Land Cruiser became a legend among Aussie ranchers, and Australia remains one of its strongest markets to this day. The Sahara Expedition. In 1963, Toyota sponsored a trans-Sahara expedition with stock Land Cruisers. Over 10,000 miles of scorching desert, these vehicles survived 140 degrees Fahrenheit heat, endless dunes, and mechanical nightmares, without a single major breakdown. The world took notice, and the Land Cruiser's reputation for indestructibility was sealed. The Million-Mile Club. While most cars struggle to hit 200,000 miles, Land Cruisers have quietly racked up 1 million. The most famous? A 1971 FJ40 in Alaska, still running after 1.2 million miles in brutal conditions. These stories spread among off-roaders, fueling a cult following for Land Cruiser durability. The Unwanted Honor, vehicle of choice in conflict zones. Here's a fact Toyota doesn't advertise. The Land Cruiser became the go-to vehicle for armed groups worldwide. Its reliability made it invaluable in war zones. And while this was a PR headache for Toyota, it proved one thing: when survival is on the line, nothing beats a Land Cruiser. The FJ40, the icon that defined adventure. Launched in 1960, the FJ40 became the face of global adventure. Its boxy shape, removable roof, and legendary toughness made it a favorite from the Amazon to the Outback. Today, restored FJ40s fetch sky-high prices and symbolize the ultimate go-anywhere spirit. From military routes and royal rides to million-mile journeys and desert legends, the Land Cruiser's history is as epic as its adventures. Which historic fact blew your mind? Drop your favorite in the comments and tell me what other Toyota legends you want to see next. Don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives and off-road stories every week.